Hi, I'm going to show you how to do screen recording in iPhone. Okay, open your control center. You will see an icon here, red icon. Just you have to click and hold. Then you will see microphone option. You just have to make it red for record your voice. Then if you don't see this screen recording icon here in control center, you just have to go settings and control center, customize controls. Then you have to include it here. I removing. Then you will see all the icon here. You have to click on the plus icon for include it again. Okay, if you remove, you will not see this icon here in control center. Then if you include again, you will see this screen recording option.